Today we celebrate the one, the only St. Andrew the Apostle. How's that, huh? It's also the first Sunday of Advent. He was a fisherman and the brother of Simon Peter. The first pope is said to have spread Christianity in Russia and Asia Minor. He demonstrated his love for his brother as well as his apostolic zeal when, convinced that Jesus was the Messiah, he went to find his brother. Andrew, the brother of Simon Peter, was one of the two who heard John and followed Jesus. He first found his own brother Simon and told him, "We have found the Messiah." Then he brought him to Jesus. Some of St. Andrew's remains were brought to Scotland in the 4th century, though parts of his skeleton lie in the crypt of the cathedral in Amalfi, Italy, where they are removed twice a year and produce a clear, water-like substance. The substance, called manna, is said to have miraculous attributes. Our beloved Andrew. So, what can we say about Andrew? He did everything he was supposed to, and in the end, he became one of the first martyrs of the church. And that's because he was an apostle. He was martyred in Patras around the year 60. And early texts describe Andrew as bound, not nailed to a Latin cross of the kind of which Jesus is said to have been crucified. Yet a tradition developed that Andrew had been crucified on a crux decusata, an X-shaped cross or saltire, now commonly known as St. Andrew's Cross, supposedly at his own request, as he deemed himself unworthy to be crucified on the same type of cross that Jesus had been. St. Andrew, the manly, the brave, that's where we take our inspiration. We must be manly and brave. Even when manly, which also means womanly, that means a person who is dedicated to Christ. And that's what we must do. Otherwise, what are we doing here? Amen. Alleluia.